In this video, I will show you how to contact Instagram support. Now, the first thing we're going to do is to shake our phone right here and then click on Report Problem once it pops up. Now, we just have to include and continue. And as you can see, it took a screenshot about what I'm gonna report. And then I can explain what is the problem or how can I report it to them. The next thing is to go to our profile icon, click on these three lines right here, and then scroll down. Now we just have to click on Help and click on Help Center. Now we can search for articles or we can search for our problem directly in here. Now let's say my account is disabled. Right here. So as you can see, gives me direction as to how I'm going to fix my problem in here. It will give me directions and solutions as to how to fix my problem. So in order for you to contact Instagram support, all you have to do is to click on No and then click on Other. Now you can say briefly as to how this article doesn't necessarily help you, or you can give your feedback to Instagram support. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!